If you wake up tired, scroll your phone for 40 minutes, rush to class feeling guilty, and then promise yourself, I'll be serious from tomorrow, this video is for you. You don't need a 5 a.m. millionaire routine. You don't need cold showers at 4:30 a.m. You need something realistic, something a normal student can actually follow. Today, I'll show you my realistic morning routine that improved my focus, reduced procrastination, and helped me get better grades without burnout. And trust me, I've been that student who studied at 2 a.m. and regretted everything in the morning. Let's fix this step by step. The 10-minute rule before you touch your phone. First rule, no phone for 10 minutes after waking up. Why? Because the moment you check your phone, your brain gets a dopamine spike. Notifications, reels, messages. Your brain says, wow, this is exciting. Now your textbook feels boring. Science shows dopamine controls motivation. If you waste it early, your focus drops the whole day. So what do I do instead? Sit up, drink a glass of water, open the window, take 5 deep breaths. That's it. This small reset tells your brain, I'm in control today. Simple, but powerful. And once you win the first 10 minutes, the day becomes easier. Make your bed. Yes, it matters. I know, it sounds boring, but making your bed is your first small win. Psychology calls this progress momentum. When you complete a small task, your brain releases dopamine again, but this time from effort. Now your mind says, I'm productive. It takes 60 seconds, but it changes your identity from lazy student to disciplined student. Identity is everything. 5-minute movement. No gym required. You don't need a workout plan. Just move your body for 5 minutes. 20 push-ups or wall push-ups, 20 squats. Stretch your back, neck rolls. Why? Because movement increases blood flow to the brain. More oxygen equals better concentration. Research shows even light exercise improves memory and cognitive performance. You're not training for a six-pack, you're training for sharper focus. And when your body wakes up, your brain follows. The one important task rule. This changed my grades completely. Instead of saying, today I will study everything, I ask, what is the one most important topic today? Just one. Maybe one math chapter, one past paper, one difficult concept. Clarity reduces overwhelm. Overwhelm causes procrastination. When your brain sees a huge task, it freezes. When it sees one clear target, it moves. So I write it down on paper, and that becomes my mission. 25-minute deep focus block before the world distracts you. This is the secret. Study for just 25 minutes in the morning. No phone, no music with lyrics, no multitasking. Just pure focus. Morning willpower is strongest. Decision fatigue hasn't started yet. If you win this 25-minute session, even if the rest of the day goes average, you already made progress. One focused session daily equals 12+ hours of deep work per month. That's how grades improve quietly. Quick review instead of passive reading. Here's a mistake students make. Reading again and again. Instead, after studying, close the book. Write what you remember. Explain it out loud like you're teaching a friend. This is called active recall. It strengthens memory pathways. It forces your brain to work. Harder recall, stronger memory. That's how toppers study smarter, not longer. Protect your mental energy. Let me say something real. You're not lazy. You're overstimulated. Late night scrolling, comparing yourself, sleeping at 2 a.m. Your brain is tired. So part of a strong morning routine is simple. Sleep before 12 a.m. No heavy emotional content at night. Guard your mind like it matters, because it does. Transition. Now imagine this. You wake up, no rush, no guilt. You already studied before most people even started. How would that feel? Calm, confident, in control. That's the goal. Not perfection, progress. Full routine summary. Simple version. Here's the realistic version. Wake up, no phone 10 minutes. Drink water plus fresh air. Make your bed. 5-minute movement. Choose one important task. 25-minute deep focus. Active recall review. Total time, around 45 to 60 minutes. That's it. No complicated hacks, no fake productivity, just consistency. Final message. Listen, you don't need to become a different person overnight. You just need to win your mornings. Because when you control your morning, you control your day. And when you control your days, your grades change, your confidence changes, your life changes. Start tomorrow. Not perfectly, just honestly. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more real student growth content, and share it with a friend who needs this push. We rise together. See you in the next one.